0 to 5 Families. It's Jennifer and I'm here with Carter, and we're going to show you an activity that you could do outside. The first thing you need to do to complete this activity is search for and collect nature items.
Did I get 5?
Work together to find all the items you need. Allow them time to explore. Here we found 2 turkey feathers, sticks, and wood chips. Again, allow your child plenty of time to explore the materials that they found. You can also ask them what they can do with the materials.
I'm flying, right?
You're flying.
I can fly now. Right, Mommy?
You can also encourage early learning by asking them what shape they could make out of the materials.
Here. That's how you make it circle.
Connecting children with nature provides children with opportunities to discover characteristics of the natural world. Children have a sense of wonder and natural curiosity about objects in their environment. Just like scientists, they seek information and actively explore and investigate the world around them, try things out to see what happens, and confirm or adjust their expectations.
We hope you enjoyed this activity.